Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make money from Deepcoin. Deepcoin is an exchange platform just like Binance, Bybit, and the likes. So basically, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and register. Come to deepcoin.com and click on the register button, and you come to whatever option you want. If it's your email or phone number, then you register. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and complete your verification, or complete the first verification, which has to do with you uploading your ID card and face ID and other few stuff. As you can see the requirements right here. So you just have to click on verify now, and it's going to take you to the page where you're going to complete all your verification. So how do you go ahead and deposit coin into the Deepcoin? What you just have to do is to come to this icon, this profile icon, and click on wallet overview. Then from wallet overview, you can click the funding, and on funding right now I can't fund because I haven't verified my account. So I need to fund my account. Before I can actually go ahead and deposit. But this is how you do it. You just select the cryptocurrency, select the network, and you get your address, and you can go ahead and send just like the normal traditional way you do with other crypto platforms. Then from there, to make money on the platform, we have few stuff to make money. We have sports trading. Sports trading has to do with you buying low and selling high. It's very easy. I'm sure most of us are familiar with the sports trading section. Then coming to the copy trading, this is another feature on the Deepcoin where you can actually make cool amounts of money by copying another user's trade. When you copy another user's trade, you make cool money. You can see this person's profit/loss margin in 30 days. You can see right here, this is plus 36%, plus 36,000%, which is a lot. You can see right here. So this is really cool. This one is full already. You can copy another trader. Let's say, for example, you can copy this trader right here. Click on copy, then you can see more information about the user before you go ahead and copy the trade. So if you click on copy, you can input the amount of USDT you want for the trade, and you can also read the terms and conditions if you want, and you can copy, and that's all. So you just need to understand the copy trading and how it works. So basically, this copy trading is I think what they do right here is their copy trading works with their spot trading. All right, their copy trading works with their spot trading. Looking at it from this, yeah, so they're actually copying just only the spot trading. So you don't need to set stop loss on this, but you can actually set stop loss. You can set a take profits and all. Yeah. Then the other way you can actually make money on the platform is by using derivatives. Derivatives is similar to whereby you trade when the market is going to, if you predict the market is going to go up, and the trade is again is works with you, then it means you're gonna make cool amount of money for yourself. Then if you come to this icon right here, you can see other features that are on Deepcoin. You can see we have the listings, you have rewards. Reward is another place where you can actually get rewards from doing certain or performing certain tasks on Deepcoin. So I think that's all you need to know concerning the Deepcoin. They don't have much opportunities for you to make money right now. You just have the sports trading, derivative, and copy trading, which are those the three ways for you to make money on Deepcoin. So if you found the video really helpful, kindly subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like.